Welcome. Today we are going to see strings in Python. So strings is a sequence of character enclosed within single and double quotes. String, I'm going to write str, is a sequence of characters enclosed within single and double quotes. Sequence of characters enclosed within single and double quotes. Multiple line string can be represented with triple quotes also. The square brackets are used for getting the indexing value of a string. Okay, so indexing can be positive as well as negative. Positive means it is going forward from left to right. Negative means it is going forward from right to left. It is backward. Okay, so let me write here one string. Like for example, str is equal to Jupyter notebook. But Jupyter notebook should be in single quotes or double quotes. So I'm typing here double quotes. Okay, and I'm going to print str. If I want to print, I'm just going to print the type of str. So as my str just got print here. Okay, and the class is, the type is string. So if I want to do the indexing, first of all, okay, so there is square brackets are used for the indexing functions. If I want to print str, if I want to get the zeroth value is our j, which is Jupyter from j. So print, so I'm just going to get j. Okay. Similarly, if I'm planning on getting the value of the fourth element, so that can be t. Okay. So j is our first element, which is what we call zeroth element. Then there is u. U is our first element. P is second, y is third, and fourth element is our t. Okay. So that's how we do indexing in a string. If I want to do the same terms, I'm just going to write here print str minus 1. Minus 1 means it will be backward indexing. So backward indexing will just going to give me k. This is the notebook, at last notebook k. So this is the indexing part here. So now what we can do here is, if I want to get string from, I just want the part of Jupyter here. Okay, I just want Jupyter. So what I'm going to do here is, I'm just going to type here print str zeroth element colon, there is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So I'm going to write here 7. Okay, so minus 1 is just going to use, from 0 to 6 it will be getting printed. Okay, so Jupyter, that's how we can do, that's how we can print the string using the colon. There is one more concept here, that if I want to do the printing of string without skipping any alphabet, so for that what I can do here is from 0 colon 7 colon 1. Okay, so here again Jupyter will be getting printed because I'm not skipping any variable, or I can say alphabet here. But for example, if I want to skip one alphabet, so I'm just going to type here str colon 0 colon 7 colon 2. Here it is just going to skip one alphabet. So as I can see here, the Jupyter J, then there is P, then there is T, and then after that final value R. Okay, so this is what we call uh, skipping one alphabet. Okay, the last part is used for the skipping purpose here. Okay. So there is one more concept here that I am going to discuss regarding the string, that is string. String has some functions. We can add the two strings also. So let's do that actually. So there is a variable called a here. Like for example, there is written here Jupyter. Then there is variable b. There is written notebook. Okay. So if I want to add these two strings, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to type here c equal to a plus b. After that, I'm just going to type the c. So that's how we can just add the strings. Okay. The space is required in between, or I can just do that if I want to print Jupyter colon Jupyter plus notebook. Okay, so that's how we can just get Jupyter notebook. There's one more way of doing this, is like printing Jupyter uh, comma notebook. So here the comma operator, which I have included in our previous videos, is just going to give us a space. Okay, but what if I want Jupyter for 3 times? So for that, if I want Jupyter notebook printing for the 3 times, what I can do here is I'm just going to type here Jupyter notebook multiplying with this term will be multiply with 5 or 3. I want to print for 3 times. So Jupyter notebook will be going getting printed for 3 times. Okay. So this is how we are just going to get Jupyter notebook for 3 times. So that's all for about today's session. Okay. Hope so you get the idea of basics of strings. Okay, which is actually it can be double quotes, single quotes, or triple quotes also. Triple quotes are used mainly for the multiple lines of strings. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you.